Hi, I'm Gracie from Waterwatch, and today I'm going to show you how we install the Waterwatch tank monitor onto a tank. First things first, we're going to get out all the bits we need. So we've got our tank monitor here. I've also got a few levelling shims. These are used for sloped tanks and concrete tanks so that it sits nice and level. We've got our 50mm hole saw, we've got a tape measure, some screws, the magnet wand from the box, and our Waterwatch app ready to go. First, we're going to find a nice suitable mounting position for the sensor on the tank. We want the sensor to be at least 200mm above the high water level. We also want it to sit nice and level, so we've got levelling shims for concrete tanks. We're going to set it up nice and high here. On plastic tanks, we'll often just put it on the top of the tank on a nice flat surface. Next, I'm going to use the magnet wand in the box to swipe up and down the right hand side of the sensor, and it'll connect it to the Bluetooth on my phone. Now we're ready to drill our 50mm hole in the top of the tank. And we'll also drill 4 pilot holes for the screws to go into. Now we need the height of the tank, so we're just going to grab a tape measure, measure the height, and then the next slide as well will ask us for the maximum fill level on the tank. We'll just set this down here until we reach the bottom. There we go, we've got about 2.84 metres, so I'm just going to pop that into the app. Cool, and just like that, we're all set up and ready to go. The Waterwatch monitor is already reporting back to the app telling us that the tank is 21% full, and it's going to keep doing that every 6 hours and also alarm us when the tank gets low or if it's dropping rapidly.